Hi, this is Bill. What I am about to present is requirements management with Dimensions RM. And this will be the discuss points of our session. I'm going to show you a one true source of users, customizable workspaces and workflows, a very easy search of requirements, documents and dashboards, a complete end-to-end traceability and its impact analysis, reusable components, and out of the box designer and glossary. Now, on this series, we will be discussing one true source of users and customizable workspaces and workflows. Now, let's open the administration part of Dimensions RM. Let's log in, username in demo, and the super secret password. Now, if you go to the left, we can actually create different instances or workspaces, and these tiers or groupings, we can actually create different rules and users, and it has some integration with LDAP services. So we'll have a one source of truth of our users. Um, Looking at that, so what if we go one layer up and right click? We can actually create an instance, change the user password. So we have full control of our workspaces. Now, since we have full control of the workspaces, the beauty of this one is we can actually customize our workflows, our structures. So we may have a departmentalized requirement, maybe and each department has their own product requirements prior to building software or depending on what industry we're at and from there I'll show you this design icon, the schema of each instance. Now if I scroll up, so with the ePhoto application business requirement, it starts with the marketing requirements and as a parent, and the product requirements is actually inheriting from the marketing requirements, and because of the hybrid approach of Dimensions RM, it's actually adaptable on both um, either waterfall or agile or DevOps approach of culture, and you can actually create epics, features, and stories, and because it has full collaboration features on each requirement, we can actually create discussions, polls, chapter, and glossary. Now let's go to the next instance so I can show you how customizable the flow is and the structure. If I go up, now as you can see, so on every business requirement or project management, we have a change request, and the change request will be probably a new business requirement, and that business requirement can have like a coming from an external requirement being digested now into a design, a functional requirement, a use case, and this business requirement will have its own test design or test case or test runs, and in every test run there will be a defect. So these are one of the examples. So every company will be unique on each way. So we identify how we actually design our structure and architecture of our flow, and in terms of also um, approval and workflows. What we are trying to say here is having the power of flexibility, capability of controlling the user and rules, customizing our business requirements and structures, workflows, and very specific to our client needs. This is all for now. Thank you for watching my channel, and please continue watching the requirement management video series.